How to increase video quality in Google Photos. Firstly, open the Google Photos app. Now click on the profile which is present at the right top corner. Now you have to scroll this bar and click on Photos Settings. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Now click on Backup here. Scroll this bar and you can see here backup quality. Click on it. Then how to change or how to increase video quality in Google Photos. If you want to select or qualify your video with high quality, click on original quality. If you want to reduce quality, now select this. In this way you can select your video and you can change your video quality on Google Photos. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.